In the previous lecture, we have seen that a cell consists of cell membrane. In the center, there is a nucleus, and the space between the cell membrane and nucleus is filled with cytoplasm, which contains several organelles. Inside nucleus is present chromatin network, which is coiled network of thread-like structures, and each thread-like structure is called chromosome. Chromosomes in individuals, they exist in pairs. Means in a pair, the chromosomes, they are alike in all the forms, their shape, their structure, position of the centromere, length of the chromatid, and genes located on them. What we have done? A chromosome consists of two basic parts. In the center, there is centromere, and on centromere, arms or chromatids are located. On chromatids, there are located genes, and genes are made up of a chemical DNA. Chromosomes, since they exist in pairs, the two chromosomes in a pair, they are identical in all the respects. Means the लेंथ ऑफ दिस क्रोमेटिड, अगर यहाँ पर एक जीन लोकेटेड है तो ऑन इट्स होमोलॉग द at the same point there will be another gene, and moreover if this gene say it controls the color of the eye, this gene will also control the color of the eye. So we can say that to control inheritance of each character we have two genes. What we are saying that to control the inheritance of each character हमारे पास कितने जीन हैं? दो जीन हैं. फिर हमने आगे क्या कहा कि the pair of chromosome, that is homologous chromosome, they segregate or they separate during gamete formation. For example, in human beings, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. And 23 pairs से हमारा क्या मतलब है? 46 chromosome. We have seen in the topic sex determination that during gamete formation, during formation of sex cells in males and females, that is sperms in males and ovum in female, the pair of chromosomes they separate so that the sex cells they receive half of the number of chromosomes in such a way that one chromosome from each pair. Then the male sex cell, that is the sperm, it will be having 1 to 23 chromosomes. फर्स्ट में से फर्स्ट पेयर में से एक, सेकंड से, थर्ड से, फोर्थ से. सिमिलरली the ovum, it will also receive one chromosome of each type. And during sexual reproduction हमने करा दो basic aspects हैं. पहला है formation of gamete, then fusion of gamete, and this fusion of gamete is called fertilization. Fertilization में अब ये क्या है that the chromosome pair, it will be 1 1 2 2 the whole. We can say the 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes. This chromosome number is restored after fertilization. We can say, now we can see that half of the chromosomes or the genetic material is received from the father, half of the chromosome is received from the mother. तो हर कैरेक्टर के दो एस्पेक्ट्स होंगे. कैसे देखते हैं कि इसका मतलब each character in human beings and in every living individual is controlled by a pair of chromosome, and that pair of chromosome is called allele. Let us say सिर्फ ह्यूमन बींग्स में नहीं, अब हम बाकी ऑर्गेनिजम्स, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स का भी एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. दैट कैन बी अ प्लांट, दैट कैन बी अ एनिमल, or a microorganism. Now we are going to discuss the experiments done by the scientist Gregor Johann Mendel, who is considered as the father of genetics. Gregor Johann Mendel, he experimented with pea plant. Pea is mutter and the scientific name of the plant is Pisum stivum. He studied 7 characters or the 7 traits in pea plants, and it is important to mention that pea plant has got 7 pairs of chromosomes. 7 pairs of chromosome, or we can say in pea plant there are present 14 chromosomes. Mendel studied 7 traits, 7 characters in pea plants. कौन से character उसने study किए? Plant height, color of the flower, position of the flower, seed color, seed shape, pod shape and pod color.